We actually have a flock of migrating birds up here. We've been here for at least a day or two. You can kind of see them flying all in here, but you can hear them. It's a pretty decent sized flock too. Haven't seen one in a year or two. We do tend to have them come through here and stay here, right here in our yard, like this year. You hear all those birds? It's really cool when they start flying around. It's me, Mama. There's so many of them, they're like in all the trees right now. Listen to it. They're just little birds, you know, like, I don't know what kind. Just little birds. It's so cool to hear that many though. Yesterday they were all in this tree. But today they're over there. They're probably just picking whatever fruits and berries and things that they can find to eat. I bet they're eating a lot of the persimmons now that they're over here. Yeah, there are definitely a whole bunch of them in that tree right there. Although I cannot see them, I can hear. I do see them flying in and out a little bit, but where a lot of them are. But when they all get up and fly, all of a sudden it makes the strangest noise and all the leaves start falling out of the tree. Isn't that cool? I love birds. I like birds. And since I don't think there's as many as there once was, I really like to see the migrating birds stop here and visit for a day or two. They're just in all the trees right now. So cool. Cool enough to share with my friends. Hope everybody's having a great day. Too bad I can't show you the birds, but they don't want to fly around right now. Oh, Lucy, what you doing? You got an itch. You got an itchy. I love my old man. Lucy, come here and I'll scratch you. Have a great one.